We are not seeking a new Cold War or a world divided into rigid blocs. The United States is ready to work with any nation that steps up and pursues peaceful resolution to shared challenges, even if we have intense disagreements in other areas, because we'll all suffer the consequences of our failure.
民主不是哪个国家的专利，而是各国人民的权利。近期国际形势的发展再次证明，外部军事干涉和所谓的民主改造贻害无穷。我们要大力弘扬和平、发展、公平、正义、民主、自由的全人类共同价值，摒弃小圈子和零和博弈。
Greetings, everyone. It is a true pleasure to welcome Foreign Minister Rodriguez to the State Department, United States. Gabriela, it's wonderful to see you here. We've had the opportunity to see each other at NATO and talk on the phone numerous times, but it's particularly good to have you at the State Department in Washington. Lithuania and the United States are very strong partners in NATO. We stand together for collective defense and security. We stand against economic coercion, including that being exerted by China. And we stand strongly for democracy, including in Belarus, where we're very much working together. And I also want to say on a personal note that the Foreign Minister has been such a strong voice for democracy and human rights, not just in Lithuania, but around the world. In that sense, it's also a particular pleasure to be with you and to work with you. Welcome.
Thank you so much, Mr. Secretary. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to be here, and especially on the day of International Day for Democracy. It's truly symbolic that we can reaffirm our commitment to defend democracy, liberty, human rights across the globe. And we have some knowledge about that since we're still a young democracy, just 30 years since we've ourselves re-established our nationhood. But then we feel that it's very right and the right thing to do to help others who are trying to do the same thing across the globe.
Welcome. It's great to have you. We can hear democracy in action outside right now.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much.